All right, my waste today is over underutilized technology, and that's Kaizenify. We have the ability to make detailed labels and Kanban cards for things, just like in there, but we still have a lot of things in here that aren't labeled. These things right here, the tools, all the hand tools that we need to use, they're in a nice and open order, not really to any kind of degree, but if one of them goes missing, how does anybody know? Then we need to put Kaizen from here to make sure that we know exactly what goes here from when we're doing RTS. And we're getting things underway here. It's still a work in progress, something we're working on every day. And this used to be an absolute mess. But when we don't spend our time doing certain things, we get temporary fixes, but we need long-term solutions. So that's what the Kaizen foam is for. But the underutilized technology, again, is Kaizenify because we have the ability to make those labels. The undercommunication is that when we are taking things, we aren't communicating to anybody else that we have taken that thing by it being out of its space. So that's the undercommunication. The defect is it could lead to lost tools, people thinking that tools are there when they're not actually there. And then that's a whole thing, searching for tools. Overprocessing is that now we're having to go and search and find and play all these other side quests just to make sure we're getting one thing accomplished. I think I had 2 different snakes in 2 different locations that were not in here yesterday when Emma graciously came in and fixed the problem over the weekend. But then being difficult to do business with, when we're not able to find tools or we're not able to get things done right away, everybody has to wait. And that's not something that we want to do. So we want to make sure our customers are taken care of right there, right now, and as fast as possible. So thanks.